Alright, so let's solve an inequality. This one would not be on a graph. This is just a regular old multi-step inequality. Now, our first example is really easy, but I wanted to point out something to you here, and that is the only step you need to do is divide by a -2, and that's the big rule that changes from equations to inequalities, is that if when you divide by negative, you've got to flip around that inequality sign. So my lesson is going to switch to a greater than, and the answer is x is greater than -5. Now be careful with inequalities because the answer here is not -5, so don't just say -5. It's anything greater than -5. So -5.1 or -6 or -10, but it's not actually -5. It's greater than it. I'm going to help you out with one of these real quick too. So all you need to do is, we usually put little train tracks to hold our inequality. Solve it just like you would an equation. So you got to solve for x. You've got too many of them, so cancel one of them out first. So you've got 1x plus 7 is greater than -10. Then a good old two steps. So subtract your 7. You've got, I don't really need that 1 anymore, right? It's just a ninja. So I've got -10 minus another 7 is -17. And there you go. That's all you needed to do. So remember, you don't need to flip unless you're dividing by a negative. All right.